Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make stew, the type you use to eat swallow, commonly called obe by the Yorubas. This is best made with assorted meat. I start by seasoning the assorted with Cam APS and some salt, blend fresh chili and onion and add to it. Give it a good mix and remember, no water. Cover and allow to cook for 30 minutes on a low heat and it's ready. Check out the meat because I'm going to use the stock in preparing this recipe and I won't be adding any water. Now I add some tomato paste, which is a blend of fresh tomato, onion, chili, garlic and ginger. Give it a good mix, cover and bring to a boil. Then you add some palm oil. Add Cam APS and grinded Ogiri. Give it a mix and then fully cover because you're not to fry the stew. Then I add the assorted meat. With all pleasure, give it a good mix. Cover again for 2 minutes and it's ready. If your soup doesn't have this look, then it's not obe because you don't fry obe. Adding palm oil is just to fulfill all righteousness. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Come back next week for another episode on what you can eat with obe. I'm Chef Annie Michael. If it tastes good, eat it.